What we're going to do is give this poor, sad eye here a teardrop, and we're going to use a shape tween to achieve this. As you see here on this layer, I've renamed it eye by double-clicking the layer name. And what we're going to do is lock this layer. We're going to create a new layer here, and we're going to double-click and name it teardrop. Now, locking this layer just prevents me from doing anything to the eye at this point. I can't even select it. So what we're going to do on this layer is we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to color it, let's see here, maybe a blue color like this, and we'll just draw it out on our eyeball. We don't have a stroke at all. Now what I want to do is, while I'm on this frame, I want to kind of shape it in something that kind of matches the bottom of the eyeball, just a little bit. I'm not going to go and try to make this too perfect because we want this tear to form, and we want our eyeball that looks all sad and depressed here really have some purpose in life. So here is the beginning of our teardrop. Let's go now to frame 15, and we'll press F6 on the keyboard to extend both the eyeball and the teardrop shape on the stage. At frame 15, what I want to do is to change this shape so it starts to form the drop. So what I'll do is I'll just click and drag and start to sculpt this a little bit into the shape we're looking for. To get more control over the eyeball shape, what I want to do is I'm going to take the Option or Alt key on the keyboard and hold it down. And now I have a little bit more control. See that? So once again, holding down Option or Alt on the keyboard, I can click and drag to change the shape a little bit to get the teardrop I'm trying to achieve. Alright, now let's go to frame 25, and once again we'll press F6 on the keyboard to extend the new shape as well as the eyeball again. And I want to deselect and make sure I'm on frame 25. I want to deselect this and pull this teardrop shape down. And let's go ahead and sculpt this a little bit more and really make this guy cry. I'm holding down the Alt or Option on the keyboard once again just to add some more variety to this shape so we have some more teardrops forming. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select the entire layer name here, and we're going to insert our shape tween. Now let's go ahead and deselect that, and I'm going to go to the first frame, and let's go ahead and scrub, and we have a great teardrop. All we need now is to make, this guy cry, is to add a little bit of sound like, oh no, that kind of thing. And as you see here, just by using a few shortcuts on the keyboard, which is the Alt or Option key, you're able to have more control over where the shape is formed. So for example, if I want to have more of a teardrop shape, or maybe the beginning of another teardrop, I can just go ahead and start to extend some more of this out like this and really get them going, the waterworks. So we can go ahead and scrub that again and see we really have a lot of animation going here.